Editing multiple CDRLs at once can be done by selecting the Edit Multiple CDRLs button located on the development phase of the procurement homepage. There are many circumstances that may warrant a mass edit of CDRLs. For example, CDRLs have gone to contracts and changes have been made that affect all the CDRLs on a particular contract. When clicking on the Edit Multiple CDRLs button, a new modal will open that allows users to choose the CDRLs that need to be edited. Clicking the box next to the CDRLs and change whatever fields need to be updated. Select Save at the bottom of the form and click OK to finalize the changes. Close when you are completed. It is important to know that the following fields cannot be edited using the multiple edit functions and must be updated individually on each CDRL. B. Exhibit. C. Category. 1. Data item number. 2. Title of data item. 4. Authority. 6. Requiring office. 10. Frequency. 14. Distribution. 15. Total. And 16. Remarks and all information in block 16.